welcome to my channel. I hope you had a great holiday and a happy New Year's. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make a taco soup. We start with 1 pound of hamburger and we fry it up. Let's add an onion. This is about a medium onion. And fry that up with the hamburger. Okay, so now we added our taco seasoning. It's just out of an envelope. A couple more minutes and we can add all these delicious vegetables. Now, fry these already. Let's start with the chicken broth. Stir that up a little bit. Okay, red pepper, that's just 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, a cup of corn, looking good. How beautiful it looks, all those colors. 28-ounce can of tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and here's the winner, chili peppers. That's a 4-ounce can of chili peppers. Black beans. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so stir it all up. Oh my goodness, that looks beautiful. All those beautiful colors. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Looking delicious. So now we're going to let this simmer for 30 minutes and the soup will be ready. And then we can put on our delicious garnish. The soup is done. You can add cheddar cheese, sour cream, you can add cilantro. This is dried cilantro, but you can add fresh. You can add avocado, onions, to garnish the soup. So this is cooked for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add another half envelope of taco seasoning. I'm going to kick up the flavor a little bit. Okay, so you don't have to add this. You can let it simmer for about 10 minutes and give it a taste. Add salt, pepper, some more broth if you want, but I like a lot of flavor. Much better. Very good. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and the soup is done. Let's dish some out. It's a very thick soup. Okay. Cilantro, some cheese. Oh, doesn't that look good? Really delicious. Let's put a little bit of sour cream on there. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. And if you'd like, gosh, this is so good. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a Christmas gift from my daughter. It's absolutely gorgeous. Crazy good food. Please subscribe, hit the like, and ring that bell. And come back and see all my videos.